guys! So today we're going to do a heritage walking tour of Ahmedabad. Now this is organized by the Municipal Corporation of Ahmedabad and it's called From the Temple to the Masjid. That's the name of the tour because we're right outside the Swami Narayan temple, which is where it starts, and we're going to go find our guide. Hi, Mr.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Start the heritage walk.
Yes.
The Swami Narayan temple. This is a place where the ladies are allowed to come over here inside. There is a special place for that.
Right.
And the whole temple is made from wood. There's a Burma teak wood is there.
Wow.
The whole temple is made. And there is a monks are allowed to stay over this that portion.
Right.
And this whole place is over there. And it is built in 1822. 186 years old. It is the temple is there.
Wow.
So whole it is going on. Now we'll go to the pole area.
Okay.
Ahmedabad is famous for.
Yeah.
Pole means residential area where the people are staying over there. Different caste, different community people stay in the poles.
Okay.
As I told you, the pole is a residential area.
Right.
So this was the entrance to the pole.
Right.
Every pole you will find the gate over there.
Right.
And every pole you will find this kind of blackboard.
Okay.
So the people used to write all the activities which are going to be conducted in the pole.
In the area.
In the area. Kavi Dalpat Ram Memorial. It is a famous poet to the Gujarati literature, and we have restored it house again.
Oh, this was his house.
It's Bharatwani Pole, and we are in the Kalupur area. There are 6 areas where they are in Ahmedabad, and 600 poles are there in Ahmedabad city. The whole area is over there. So this is entrance to the pole. That's the Ramji Mandir. So it's Kala Ramji Mandir. The god is in black stone, so it is written the Kala Ramji Mandir. It's a 400 years old temple, and then all it is made from wood, both the structure. That is open square to the temple, so we'll have small functions and everything.
There are like a zillion squirrels on this wall here. If you see, they put food down for them near the temple. So they're just like getting into the little cracks and eating. You have one right up there, sitting up there and eating. And they're so cute. Like they were all here, and the minute we started walking, they've all just climbed all over the walls.
We are entering the secret passage. It's a secret passage going to one pole to another. See the 4 different period of houses, you are going to get it in one place. This house belongs to the British era, and that house belongs to the Maratha period. This belongs to the colonial period, and this belongs to the British period, red color. So the 4 different period of houses, you are going to get it in one place.
So it's quite interesting. There's a lot of temples that you see on the walk, and you actually walk through the city and the different poles. And it's interesting to note that the culture is still intact even after all these years, that the pole system still works, and like he said, that you're not allowed to buy a property in an area which is for a particular community and things like that. It's interesting to note that that still happens and that the poles are still pretty close, which is interesting.
It is a giant temple. This whole temple, it is made from sandstone. The whole structure is made from sandstone. It's also you will find it with having the different musical instruments in their hand.
And you've got the dome in the middle.
Yes, the dome side.
It's a well?
No, it is a tanka.
What is that? Like
It is a rainwater is collected inside. From the rooftop, that system is made. The rainwaters get collected inside. So 4 lakh liter water is stored inside.
Wow.
That's a book market of Ahmedabad.
So we passed this at night, and what I found interesting was that all the booksellers here that you will see now, they had just kind of covered their bookstores and tied them with regular rope. There were no locks, there were no nothing. And I remember at that point thinking, that's amazing that there's that much trust and safety in the area. And I asked the person, they said they've been doing it for years and they've never had anything missing. So you can still see this one is still not open. This is the bookstore and this is how they leave it at night.
This is the old stock exchange
Oh,
of
wow.
Ahmedabad. Now shifted to the new place. It is written over there, Ahmedabad Shares and Stock
Right.
Brokers Association.
Right. So this is the Manik Chowk area. Now in the day this is actually a jewelry market. You can see all the jewelry stores, they haven't opened yet. But in the night it's a food market. So like the last time I was in Ahmedabad, I came here and I didn't recognize the place till he actually told me this is the same place. So you'll have tables and food stalls and all set up here, and they clear it out every morning. It's a jewelry market, and in the night it's open till like 1, 2 a.m. with food stalls everywhere.
You can see it over there. There's a Queen's tomb.
Rani is Hajra.
Yes, Rani
Yeah.
Hajiro. It's the female royal members are buried over there.
Right.
The king's wife and all are buried inside. So it's belonged to the tomb of Queen's tomb. It is the king's tomb. The founder of Ahmedabad city is buried over there. So it is the tomb of Sultan Ahmad Shah. His brother and his son, all three are buried inside.
This is the Jama Masjid. Yes, I remember coming here. So now we're going to enter the famous Jama Masjid. Now this is an absolutely stunning building. Follow me. So you see we've got the huge courtyard here around the mosque, and that is the main mosque area.
This place is for doing the waju. Before the prayer, they have to wash their hand and face and
Right.
everything. So this is a waju pond. People used to come, they used to wash, and they will go for the prayer. Yeah, 7 times a day the prayer is conducted over here, from morning to evening. This is called Jummah, means Friday. Today is Friday. 256 pillars are there. And this first floor is for the royal family. In olden days, they used to come and they used to offer
Do the
prayer.
namaz upstairs, right?
Hope, ma'am, you enjoyed the walk.
I did. Thank you. It was
This one is the final place
fantastic.
for the heritage walk.
And if you guys come to Ahmedabad, make sure you do the Heritage Walk with him because it is fantastic. It's the best way to see the city on foot. And there's so much that you don't know, like about the polls and things like that, which I don't think, you won't find that information on the internet. You need him for that. So make sure you try this. It is absolutely amazing. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you guys.